go on a new adventure.
How you doing, guys? It's Ricky here, back with another video, and today I am finally introducing my new leader bike. That's right, since the accident of the FZ8, I decided that I was ready to upgrade to a leader bike because life is too short to not be on a leader bike. That's basically it. I don't think I need a leader bike, I just wanted a leader bike, right? So I introduce to you my 2008 Honda CBR1000RR, right? I've had this thing for a few months, rode it around without recording at all, and then at one point had a little electrical quirk come up, and I fixed that, replaced the battery and a few other things, and now it's been in smooth operating condition. I did get it for cheap, so I would not at all be surprised if issues come up in the future. Some modifications that were already done to it. There's adjustable rear sets on both sides. I don't know chain and sprocket if there's been any modifications with the chain and sprockets. There's a aftermarket kickstand. There's no passenger seat. I don't know if this came stock with a passenger seat and the cowls were sold separate or what. The body was definitely not in good condition. This particular model uses a lot of like little tabs and cutouts to interlock plastic pieces on here. So I've had to reinforce a lot of areas where either the cutout broke or the tabs broke off, right? Because the plastics don't interlock very good. The exhaust, I basically did away with whatever cheap exhaust was on there and replaced it with another cheap exhaust. That's a universal muffler that I had on the FZ8, and I went ahead and installed it onto this bike as well. Basically just angle cut the pipe so that way it came out to the side and hung that slip-on there myself. Other than that, I'm pretty sure it's stock. I did put a new air filter in it. I put a K&N air filter using the box, the OEM box for it. Other than that though, exhaust, air intake, other than that, it's got to be stock. I don't know if my modifications are enough to deserve getting it dyno tuned the way that it is, but I do think that with modifications you should dyno tune your motorcycles. But my exhaust has a baffle in it and it's not too ridiculously loud, so I think it's all right for now. But yeah, this is my 2008 Honda CBR1000RR. I have a 2008 Harley Davidson Sportster. With both bikes, I plan on trying to make videos about DIY type stuff that you can do modification wise and maintenance wise on both of these bikes, which will be hopefully be interesting content for the YouTube channel, being able to work on a Harley with a V-twin and all the weird quirks that Harley Davidson has, and then having a Japanese domestic market super sport bike. This thing's absolutely nuts and I love it. I'm so glad I got a leader bike. I've enjoyed every second that I've ridden it. I'm excited to make videos with this. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for future content, whether you're in here for this bike or the Harley. Regardless, I'll be trying to crank out content all summer long that should entertain you all on either of these bikes. So thank you for watching.